Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to make some delicious homemade pizza. Let's start with the pizza dough. We are going to need flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar and 1 tablespoon of instant dry yeast. Mix all ingredients together and then add water in bits to make the dough. Now start kneading the dough until it is smooth. Remember to add oil to make it easy to knead, no sticking to the hand. Now cover the dough for about 20 to 30 minutes to allow the yeast to activate. And then move on to the pizza sauce. Add oil to a heated pan and then add some tomato paste. Stir to mix for about 2 minutes. Add blended fresh tomatoes, onion, garlic and dried rosemary for flavor. Stir to mix and then cover to cook for about 3 minutes. Add some powdered pepper and salt and then stir. Add some seasoning powder and then a tablespoon of sugar, very important to the sauce. Stir and then cover to cook for additional 5 minutes on medium heat. As you can see, our dough is 3 times the size after 30 minutes. Transfer it to a kneading board and then knead for additional 5 minutes to make the dough smooth. Now spread the pizza dough out on a baking pan and then start with your toppings. Add some pizza sauce and then your preferred toppings. I used salami, canned sausage, chopped green bell pepper and then mozzarella cheese. I also added some sesame seeds, which is optional. You can now bake for about 20 minutes and then your pizza is ready to be served. Wow, who wouldn't want to try this delicious pizza? Thank you very much for watching and I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like, share and then comment under this video. I hope you're going to use my recipe. Bye.